back, ladies and gentlemen, to the 6 Days of Deeds. This is our very own twist of the 12 Days of Christmas, but instead of gifts, you're getting high-value real estate skills that produce actual checks and a free challenge ticket. Think of this as the pre-challenge warm-up. Our goal for you here is to be thinking like a deal maker by the time you roll into the challenge. So let Day 2 of Deeds begin. Today we're going to be going over 2 tips on how to build your own market. Number 1, first and foremost, guys, I see this all the time. Focus on one area and one list type, especially if you're brand new. See, a lot of people have a lot of questions about, hey, should I get outside of my market? Should I go nationwide? Should I go out of state? Why would you do that? Stay to one local market because number 1, you're going to know it better. Number 2, you're going to have more resources there. Number 3, it's going to be easier for you to pop in and out. And if you do have to go to a property, physically, it's easy for you to do so. Don't make this harder than what it needs to be. Secondly, one list type. Guys, focus on one list type. If you're just starting out, focus on a probate, a tax lien, code violation, pre-foreclosures, etc. You want to focus on one list type and you want to stay with it for 90 days. Number 2, list consistency. I want you to pick one list, but the most important thing, it's not about the list that you pick, guys. Yes, that's important, but not as important as you staying with it thoroughly. Most investors quit way too early on a list, and what happens is that they warm it up for a guy like me, and then I come in and I scoop and score. Don't be that guy. You want to stay with the list, and the list will produce results, I promise. If you're ready to stop competing in the market and start controlling your own lane, then this is your moment. Join the challenge and upgrade to VIP for elite guidance, deal flow, clarity, the systems, and scale. Book buyers, you already have your ticket. Comment Day 2 below, and your personal RF strategist will help you get started and be there for you all the way through the challenge.